I was born with the gift of seeing. That is why I'm called. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Both the problem and the solution. This is your friend the Seer. I want to show you how you can easily use cowries to check for yourself, like how you can use cowries to check for yourself to know the future. Now this is it. As a beginner, I think maybe four will be easier for you to learn. Let me make use of four. Maybe I want to know an outcome of an event. Okay, and sometimes, right, if you do not do what you need to do to cowry before you start using them, you might be asking questions. They will say yes now. Later on again, they will say no. So that's why it is very important you give your cowries a joke. It's also important as a beginner, even if it's just little dry gin you have, you drop the dry gin on the cowries. Okay, you can put it in your mouth and speak with it, or you can just drop it. Then you can call your ancestors, my grandfather, my father, or this please, this thing I want to check. You people should make it clear for me on my head. Obey Dokba. Everywhere good. Once it turns back like this, everywhere good. And I told you, cowries, when you're reading cowries, there are things you need to understand when reading cowries. Cowries used to draw pattern. This is a pattern. I would have a marker here. I would have showed you this pattern now. This is a pattern. This is a pattern here. And this one facing like this is a pattern. 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 That's the directions, how they face each other, and the directions they face. Now let me ask something. This my video now. Is it a man or a woman that will see? Is it a woman that will see this video first? Is this a woman? Is it a woman? Now, they're telling me as I'm posting this video, this is me, right? As I'm posting the video, the first person that's likely to see this video first is likely to be a woman. That's why they say this is me and this is the video. This is the video I'm talking about. This is a woman coming to see the video. Yes, this video that I'm posting first is a woman that will see it first. Is a woman. Is a woman. You can see now, right? This is a woman watching me. You get so when you throw cowries like remember this one is normal. When you throw cowries, you ask question of yes or no. If two toes back, and if two this is the back, somebody was asking me this is the back, this is the back. If two toes back and two toes front, it means yes. Two back, two front, it means yes. And I also told you the directions also matters. Where how the cowries are faced also matter. Maybe for example, you want to ask, am I traveling out this year? Maybe for example, now you ask if you are traveling out this year, then you throw it, for example. Then you see everything turns back like this. Everything turns back. It means 100% yes, you are traveling out this year. But by the time you throw it, everything turns like this. It means 100% no, you will not travel out this year. Or maybe you ask them, will I travel out this year? Or turn back, this one turn like this. It means that it means that you traveling out is not the best option, and they are not seeing anything at all of you traveling out for now. Especially if you're a man, if you're a woman that asks this question, it turns like this. So once you ask the question, two like this, it means yes, 50-50. There's chances you travel out. But by the time everything turns like this, okay, see this turn back, this turns back, this turns back, and this is C. Be a man that asks this question. There's chances that you travel out. So when you ask a question, where those cowries faces also matters. And what you have to know about cowries is that they can do amebo. You can ask them for Mr. A now, they will be telling you, maybe for example, now ask of James now, for example. Then they will start telling me, do you know that James' wife used to cheat on James? You understand? I'm not asking them about James' wife. So that's why it's not that maybe if you throw it once, the first thing they said is what you ask them. You might ask them something now. Maybe for example, you're asking about a business, they can start telling you about accident, which means it's more important. That means they set an accident for you. They believe that one is more important. They want to tell you about accident first. Okay? Or maybe you can ask them, I want to know, maybe for example, now you are married and your wife's name is Joy. I want to know if my wife Joy loves me. I want to know. I want to know. By the time you throw it like this, you see everything turns back. everything turns back like this, it means that 100% there is no doubt your wife loves you. And after then it shows like this your wife loves you, then you now look at the direction, which means this your wife used to tell your friends how much she loves you. Your wife used to tell her friends how much she loves you. And she used to tell her friends or her mother or her family member, because this is a woman too, which can be a friend, which can be a sister, which can be a family member. They don't ask another question again, then you throw it as see. They will continue from where they stop. Yes, J loves you so much and she is coming for you. I know where this question is coming from. So do you see it now, ba? J loves you so much that is coming for you. And this one in the back now, you can see on a straight line. This can be telling her that there's somebody, maybe the mother, maybe the sister, or maybe the friend that is telling her to go apologize, or that is telling her good things about you, why she should come for you, or why she should follow you, for example. You get? Don't ask another question again. Once you throw it again, it will continue from where the question stop. Yes, this thing might look somehow to you, but try to watch the video over and over and again. You try get the picture of it. Now I throw it again now. You can see. Now this lady now, you can see now this lady now is telling her friends or whoever, her friend, a mother, a sister, about you, the man. So that's why depending on what you ask, because one thing in cowry can mean several things. So depending on what you ask will determine how you are going to what you are going to get. Now, maybe for example, now I want to ask if Nigeria dollar will go down this month. If Nigeria dollar will go down this month. If I'm asking if there's no Nigeria dollar, I also know with Nigeria dollar. Sorry, with naira, will naira go against? Will naira appreciate against dollar this month? Will naira appreciate against dollar? Naira appreciate against dollar? Yes, there's chances that this is 1-2 turn back. Yes, this is 1-2 1-2, which means there's chances for dollar to reduce now again instead of increasing again. But that does not mean that it's going to reduce totally, but there's chances that maybe if it is 1-9 now, it's going to come back to 1-7 or 1-6. Yeah, it come back to 1-7 or 1-6. It's going to reduce again. It's going to increase again. It's going to increase again. So the chance of it, yes, that is going to increase again. Do you understand? Because you can see 2 turn back and 2 turn forward. I can see from what he's telling me now that dollar can come against dollar, and dollar can also come against naira. Dollar can come against dollar, dollar can also come against naira. I told you, when you throw alpha, when you throw this, so the direction can also know how you interpret it, the pattern, how it faces, can also determine how you go to see it. Now you can see this now, this one is there. You can see this now. You can also see now that even if dollar, now you can see this one is far. Now this is representing dollar and this is representing naira. So the way naira is the way dollar is fighting against naira, the chance of dollar to increase again is close by, and the chances of naira to go down again is kind of far, which means yes, the chance of naira will come back down, but it's going to take a longer period of time. Do you get? So this is how you can easily use cowry to check for yourself. So if you are going for a job, I want to travel, maybe for example, I want to go for a job interview. Will I get the job interview? Will I get the job interview? Yes, they are telling me that any interview I go for now, 1, 2, 3, for 100%, yes, no doubt that I will definitely get any job I want. So by the time I throw it, till it turn back like this, that means I'm not going to get it. I'm not going to get the job I'm going for interview. Okay. So if you don't understand, ask questions. I will be happy to get back to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I still remain your friend this year. A nice comment from you. You like it, this will mean a lot to me. See you guys in the next video.